Hi friends, now I am going to give a seminar on BLE introduction. Before that, let you know I added my repository link in the description, so you can use of it for doing your own projects day wise. Thank you. In BLE, there are two types of devices: server and client. Server is provider of the data and advertising its existence. Client only sends the channel and listen the incoming calls. Okay, then our ESP32 can be configured as a server or a client. We just have to change the sketch. That's it. BLE architecture, we create the concept of classes that represents these items. Okay, BLE server models has a server. BLE service models has a service owned by the server. Okay, in the server we have the service, then in that service we have BLE characteristics. Okay, in that we have BLE descriptor. Okay, like this the flow is there. UUID. UUID full form is universal unique identifiers. These are long cryptic numbers like shown. Okay, each server offers service, for example analog sensor data monitoring service, uh, then heartbeat monitoring service, etc. Like this particular UUIDs is there. Okay, these services are standardized that this enables our apps on our smartphones to connect to all the heartbeat sensor. If they expose to standardized service, all these services are numered. These numbers we can use as characteristics UUID. This server UUID and characteristics UUID are providing the security to the uh, BLE client and the server. Okay, so BLE is more secure than the classic Bluetooth. Okay, as shown in the BLE architecture, each server has a service and each service has offers more than one characteristics, and all the characteristics are numbered. Here is the list where you see the characteristics. This is the main Bluetooth website account. In this characteristic table are the with all the characteristic services, and with numbers, specified numbers are there. uh, our smartphone offers BLE. Many BLE apps are there. I choose BLE apps as NRF Connect from Nordic because it, it is free and offers good useful characteristics. As shown in figure 4, server ESP32 advertised has visible in scanner in NRF Connect app, and then we connect to the server. Then in client we get has unknown server and unknown characteristics like that. In BLE the client can read the value if it wants. Okay, but BLE is low energy protocol. It wants to save much energy as possible, so the notification concept comes into picture. In this the server sends the only the message when the value changed, and no unnecessary messages are sent to, so that the energy is saved. Okay, however there is a problem if if there is a no client server sends the data unnecessarily. So to overcome this, BLE 2902 is used. With this client we remotely switched on and off, so the server is not sent the notification when the client is not there. As shown in the figure 6, the first flux sensor is straight, then unknown characteristics is low. Then as shown in the figure 7, the first flux sensor is bended, then unknown characteristics is high, as shown in figures. Okay. but I don't know how to get the multiple sensor data with BLE. Okay, I don't know how to get multiple sensor data with BLE. If any of the viewer know, please comment me the details or links like that. Thank you. BLE advantages. Okay, BLE consumes low power using sleep mode, so the device works with coin cells only. Okay, the BLE is event driven and event based communication. The BLE provides superior security. Okay, the BLE provides mesh and full IP stack to useful mission to mission applications. Okay, BLE disadvantages are small amount of data only sent, complex architecture. Okay, references, these are backbone of this PPT. Andrew Species YouTube channel, you have to know about microcontrollers and sensors. You must subscribe Andrew Species YouTube channel, that is he is great. And then you have to know in depth about BLE, you have to subscribe Kelben technical tutorial YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe for my channel to know more about IoT and deep learning. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.